Yeah, we're here to support him. We're here to put him in a new light, and he's good. It's an opportunity to also push him to be one of Nigerians' top comedians. You know, say if you're not the media, you'll not be top comedian. So it's a platform to put him in the media. That's why we're here.
As I walk close my door, let the guy hold my hand just like that. I said, Shama, you see me the clear way for me, and I said, don't do like that now. Find something come there. Cut and cut, multi press. Cut and cut, multi press for this side. I can't say my guy, he no day. He said, not do like that. Oh. Now we God live, bless you. You don't think I think I'm. Because that's how I take the guy destiny. The thing enter me. Now you God live, bless me. He said, yes, now, bros. Just to make the guy not feel too bad. Now tell us, my guy, forget those levels. We see them on the street too. Hey, hold on. I said, hey, now dollar. My brother, not giving your transport to. I put this one for another pocket. I don't know whether this one will take the rest. I'll keep on separate. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are here, you're a married man and you cheat on your wife, stop it. Cheat on my wife. I've been married for 7 years now. And my wife there now, she know now. I stopped cheating on my wife for 2 reasons. Number one, I got tired of being caught. You know, when your wife catch you when you cheat, you know, say if they catch you for the next 4 months, you be idiot for that house. Any message they say you go. Go put water for fire, okay. Or you make a bar, okay. Or you go to the children for school, okay. But the major reason why I stopped cheating on my wife, I realized that it's too expensive. Damn expensive to cheat on your wife. Yeah, any girl they collect 20,000 for you, 100,000, 50,000, then they cheat you. I had a meeting with Senate last week. And Senate arrived at a fixed amount. They arranged the Senate to the Bukola Saraki, all of them did there. Dino Melai, all of us now decide. They arrange the girls for federal government, state level, local government, community, your area. Federal government level, highest amount, that means the finest girl. Federal government approved is 10,000. State approved is 7,000. Local government is 5,000. Your community na 2,2. Your compound na 1,000. Landlord picking na free. Not let me get cheat you. Now, let's say you want pay. Oh, I don't make it today. Oh, yeah, if I start your tithe go plenty today. Now, let's say now you want pay the girl na federal government amount 10,000. Now that you know say this brain go wake up. You won't pay the girl 10,000. They see you. See the way they count the money. Now the last one I beg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This brain will wake up. What do they count this money for? That time you don't lost count, you return it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This brain will tell you, say, you ignore me. You will return it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This brain will tell you, this I don't know what they count this money for. You will keep quiet, oh. So then you say this brain wicked. You go remind you to wait for people take the 10,000 and do. So you know say your shock absorber back. Not the 6,000. You never change them. You can ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. My name is Udon. Good night. I left woman, I just straightforward. The money see you, I go back everything. The grace, yeah, they already go. I don't know. You're not going to stop me. Oh yeah, we had the people where they spray here. Hey! Native doctor, touch this one with the back. Touch your other way they greet you so. Okay, if you want to go, where you go now. Not the great people that say that you sponsor them. What did they want to say? This one you say one collect number, UBK. You want collect number? You don't greet time, you don't shake her like 4 times. This one when your nose be like laptop waste boy. Go where they go. Oh, you greet now. The next one you greet now AC, now you go home.
See this one T-shirt. Whether they sell for Coco 260 naira. Why they say? Like the way they get pride. Okay, beg. Hello, bros. You go turn to make I know whether you be human or because this your. Answer me now. And the way the money take on, and so choke will take on. Look at it. I will fight for your body. Yeah. Okay, I came as a big one. Who shall be special baby? No, not big for me. Go that's it. I know you pay for service. I can't call it and tell you. Yes, my name is Akoro. Well, I can't take your mind, John. Shut up. Shut up. Useless people that always dey for darkness they talk. People that dey like to see where you dey. Okay. Yeah, scared. That's my name. That's how we roll. Blow money, not come today. I bet this is a friend. I bet I not pass the same people. They will price and join. When you see person wey get money, go know. He round. I swear that. You round. You kidnap a whole, they don't believe you. Are you thinking that they'll just see one day where you just dey near them because they won't fat? You round. You not carry weight, so you just dey. I don't make a live on. But wait, why you say now let it stay with the expressions and men they you broke your phone hand. Now follow my motto. I've been useless person. Now follow my motto. I talk rubbish.
Sleeping and for the comedy show tonight, it's gonna be hot and fire. You understand? So we want to bring down the fire back to this first act town for Golden Tulip live and direct, and they go on stage tonight to go impress my fans out there. You understand? So that's what's up tonight. The fire tonight. Let's go.
Jesus. Man, that's why you don't blow. Wait. That's what? No, this is a 6 years ago. Okay. Regular. Okay, now they know they get more to. As they look time, they'll quick rush go. People get more to than they get. Regular don't go finish. When I watch it, they're waiting and they wait. When I don't get house. When in a bed, they go. When I don't see them. 5,000 and I won't die here. When I saw people going, my time don't pass. My job is for VIP people. You understand? If you won't beg me quick. More see 5 years come down for. Come now. This boy, not be playing. Come. Mama, you see? Hey, put your hand down. Hello. Hey, how you looking? Put your hand down. You get hair for a bit. Come on, son.
My sister, I know they talk to.
What's that?
Then I say senior person
Where you marry?
senior and wife. It doesn't help their family.
When you marry now, maybe don't marry.
Eh?
You never married the wife.
I don't mind.
She's useless.
They're insulting my sister-in-law.
You don't marry now.
If I allow me to tell her, say she do useless. She know now.
You have to talk and break.
But she know already. Let me continue.
I joke, I know. I ain't talking about the bill.
Now serious I do.
You serious?
If you know how much they collect for bride price, my wife be like this. My wife no reach 3,000 too.
Normally.
Normally.
And they collect 6,2.
6,220.
Now they collect. You are useless.
Who do that? You are talking.
Oh, yeah, go. Maybe I talk with this one. Thank you. Ah, who's kind of laugh with that? Then someone give me 10,000. You collect 10. So we will balance. Swiss boy. You got to get paid. That's my name. Give me my money quick before I invest. If I shop at this table, all of you are going to. Since why yes, anywhere they went and go. That they spray the bride and groom, so take some time. They will sleep on separate hotel because they want money to enter their hand. I want to marry to buy my gate, big gate. The gate long from here to this way. The house were there for back of the gate. Now, like security house, small house, uncompleted building, never complete. Hard robber, they pass every day, then they look the gate so the house will go there after this gate because the gate tall. You know they see inside. You go up in, you know they see. They block everywhere. One day, armed robber they call another armed robber like another group. That group call another group. They call join together. Red gun, red. Here they call a shovel, sledgehammer, everything. Say today we must break in and rob this house. We need to see the house.
All right, it's My Global Entertainment, one of Nigerian's finest, one of Nigerian's top show promoter. Keep watching Plug TV. Don't touch that die. Keep watching. Cheers. Cheers.